A new 14-story tower at OHSU meant to provide the best care to cancer patients is almost ready to open. Celine Stevens got a tour of this new building earlier today. And Celine, they've been working on that for a long time. What'd you learn?
Tim, they definitely have. And, it's going to have 128 new beds when it opens on April 7th. And so this facility is not just beneficial to cancer patients, but to all patients at the hospital as it increases capacity, meaning more people can now be treated.
We've had severe capacity constraints for patients with cancer and other critical illnesses here at OHSU.
Some of that capacity constraint is expected to be lifted soon with the opening of the new Vista Pavilion on April 7th, the 14-story tower dedicated to treating cancer patients.
That's going to be about 56 patients coming in immediately, and we will fill the rest of the beds here as soon as possible with patients to get up to the number of 128. Now the building itself now has the capacity to actually eventually go up to 198 beds.
Some of those patients coming from the Kohler Pavilion, which is currently the primary place for inpatient care for cancer patients. The transfer will allow the Kohler Pavilion to be renovated by August and then open to other patients.
So those open beds will be dedicated to patients with other conditions now in the Kohler Pavilion. And so we will allow for more admissions from the emergency room, more transfers for all the complex conditions that aren't cancer.
The $650 million building, complete with amenities like showers and convertible sofa beds for family members, special rooms for patients to retreat with their families outside of their hospital room for when they need a change of scenery, and advanced technology and medical care.
We'll have infusion chairs here in this facility where patients can get intermediate care, where they might need to be admitted or they might be able to go home. And they can do that here in this facility and allow us to expand care for patients that need it.
The building will still have more ongoing expansion work to do, funded with the help of a large donation from the Knight family.
The generosity of Phil and Penny Knight will allow us to do that because we can build out more of the floors faster, not just more inpatient beds, but also more areas for complex procedures, imaging, biopsies, the things that patients need when they get that cancer diagnosis to determine the next step in care.
As mentioned, they do plan to add even more bed space in the future, but that could take anywhere from 3 to 5 years. Again, this new Vista Pavilion opens on April 7th. Tim?
Great to see. Celine, thank you.